Hello guys, this is Seb, and in this video we are gonna unbox the Nokia 6. So let's get started. So here is the box, and the packaging looks quite minimalistic. At the bottom there are the IMEI numbers. On the top there is some message from HMD Globals. At the back there is the specifications. It sports a Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 chipset, a 5.5-inch Full HD display, Corning Gorilla Glass 4 fingerprint scanner NFC, a 16 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front, and a pure stock Android with NOKiA 7.1. So let's cut the seal off. Opening the box, we can see the phone at the right and the accessories at the left. Let's keep the phone aside and now check the accessories. First up, there is the SIM ejector pin. Next are the leaflets that no one reads, and at the left we have a special box dedicated to the charger and the charging cable. So the brick seems to be NOKiA. It's a 5V 2A charger, so relatively normal quick charge. There is a pair of earphones also thrown. So here is the micro USB cable. Yes, it's not a type C one, so NOKiA seems to have done some cost cutting here. Now let's get to the smartphone itself. Peeling off the plastic. Initial impressions, the phone looks quite sturdy like all other NOKiA devices. At the right it has the power button and the volume rockers. On the top it is the 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left resides the SIM tray. At the bottom there is the microphone, the micro USB port and the speaker. At the back there is a camera bump. It's a 16 megapixel camera with dual tone dual LED flash, NOKiA branding and some FCC marks. At the front it has the front mounted fingerprint scanner, a 5.5-inch Full HD display, an 8 megapixel camera and the earpiece. So let's boot the device and I will be back in some minutes. So the device has booted and we have completed the setup process. Now the launcher seems to be Pixel. There is the stock Android. There is a bluish theme on it. At the left we have the Google Now. Let's going to the setting. The setting looks quite stock. Now let's talk about the storage. We have opted for the 3GB and 32GB model, so we will get an internal memory of 32GB, but it comes out of the box with 23GB approximately, as 9.96GB is completely filled. It comes with stock Android NOKiA 7.1, so it's a quite good thing. NOKiA has also promised yearly monthly patches and Android Oreo, which is in a beta right now. Now the fingerprint scanner asks for a setup at the first. Initial impressions, the scanner seems to be perfect. The scanner does not seem to work reverse at first, but after 2 to 3 times it does get used to it. Now the camera app looks quite NOKiA. there is the old school type of camera app. Focusing looks quite well, shutter speed is good. The images seems to be well exposed at the first. I have to test the camera more to talk about it later. So that's it for the today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye bye.